Hi, this is Shivani Singh from the Hindustan Times bringing you the COVID 19 news update from Delhi on April 28th. We start with the numbers. On Monday, COVID cases crossed the 3,000 mark in Delhi. 119 new cases were reported yesterday. So now Delhi's total COVID 19 cases stand at 3,108. Although there have been no deaths reported for 2 consecutive days, so far 54 people have died of COVID 19 infection in the city. 877 people have also recovered from the disease in the national capital. The big news reported in Hindustan Times today is that the Delhi government on Monday relaxed a few more lockdown restrictions. It has now allowed self-employed persons such as plumbers, electricians and those repairing water purifiers to resume their work from April 28th, which is today. The other additional activities that are now allowed include shops selling electrical fans and those selling educational books for students. The government has, however, clarified that these relaxations do not apply to any of the 99 containment zones in the city. On Saturday, following the central government's revised order, the Delhi government had allowed standalone shops in residential colonies to operate while keeping all other restrictions in place. The government's order on Monday evening, which did allow some relaxations from the lockdown norms, also permitted interstate and intrastate movement of all medical and veterinary personnel, scientists, nurses, paramedical staff, lab technicians, midwives, and other hospital support services, including ambulances. The order stated that air travel for such persons will also be allowed. After receiving feedback that several private clinics, path labs, and dispensaries in Delhi have been shut due to confusion over the lockdown norms, the Delhi government, in the late night order yesterday, also included the opening of all such facilities across the capital. The order also clarified that regular operations in shelter homes for persons with disabilities, children, elderly people, widows, etc. will continue. These homes were already operational during the lockdown, but with the order, they will be able to bring in more people or release those not needing these facilities anymore. The order, however, makes it clear that all other restrictions will remain intact. The worrying news from Delhi is that at least 226 healthcare workers from 21 hospitals and several clinics across the city have tested positive for COVID 19 infection so far. A report in Hindustan Times today states that 1 in every 15 positive cases in Delhi is that of a healthcare worker. The last 2 weeks, clusters of COVID 19 cases have been reported from hospitals across the city. The Delhi government-run Babu Jagjeevan Ram Memorial Hospital in Jahangirpuri has reported the maximum number of cases so far. So here, at least 65 healthcare workers, including doctors, nurses, sanitation workers and hospital security staff, have tested positive for the infection. The report in Hindustan Times also points out that not all these healthcare workers were posted to the COVID 19 wings of hospitals or dedicated COVID 19 hospitals. An earlier report in Hindustan Times had also stated how hospitals are becoming the new infection hotspots in the city. Another important news from Delhi is that after Lok Nayak Hospital, the All India Institute of Medical Sciences is all set to begin plasma therapy trials for those with severe COVID 19 infections. The collection of plasma from over 350 eligible members of the Tablighi Jamaat started on Monday at COVID care centers in Sultanpuri and Narela. According to a report in Hindustan Times today, 25 donations have already been received. Plasma therapy uses a blood component called plasma, which contains virus-fighting antibodies from people who have recovered from the infection to treat those who are severely ill with COVID 19. In the absence of a vaccine or a drug, hospitals are looking at plasma therapy trials for treatment of critical COVID 19 patients. So far, at least 6 people have received the therapy through these trials at Delhi's Lok Nayak Hospital. Here's all I have for today. So stay at home and stay safe.